What's up, guys? It's Gary with Fresh from the Farm Fungi. I'm on to my third mushroom bed for the year, and this one I'm going to be doing with some Porcini mushroom spawn. So if you watched my previous videos on Boletus edulis, growing them in totes, I use these ladanifer plants, and one of the issues is that it was too humid and there was too many contaminants on the plant. So you can see it's in a pretty direct sunlight area, and I'm going to be planting 2 of these rock roses, as well as I've got some dahlias here and some gladiolas, which they also do really well in direct sunlight. So basically I'm going to do the same procedure as the Stropharia with a couple yards of organic soil, and then I'm gonna do my Porcini spawn, plant my plants and my bulbs and my tubers, and then I'm gonna case it with some hemp. And I hope that, you know, the sunshine and the airflow will help prevent those molds, and we'll get some Porcini. All right, so I've got some more of this organic potting soil. I really like the texture, and it seems to be, you know, a really nice aerated soil mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this first. I'm gonna do a layer a little bit deeper than the Stropharia, so that it'll give it a chance to really dig into those roots. So first I'm going to just start with these dahlia tubers. They like to be about 4 to 6 inches below the soil. So I'll just put some of these before I case it. Alright, and then I've got a few bulbs of gladiolas as well. So I'm just going to sprinkle these in. Space them out pretty evenly. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that final 2 cubic feet of organic potting mix soil. That looks really good. And now I'm gonna try to space out those rock roses. Give them a chance to really take off. those are in there pretty nice. And I've got 2 more bags of porcini spawn. Come in close here, you can see the porcini mycelium is like a light brown. It's pretty feathery and it spreads very rapidly. So I hope that there's enough in here where it's not going to dry out and it's going to be able to dig down deep and really establish with some of these plants. And if anything, I'll get some really beautiful flowers in the summer. But I'm hoping that these rock roses will have the proper airflow that they can really take off this year. Alright, so everything's nestled nicely in there. I'll finish it off with some hemp casing. Just do closing this guy. Alright guys, thanks for watching our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our content. Subscribe if you're looking forward to more mycology videos like these. Check out our Etsy shop, Fresh Fungi, for all of our mushroom products, as well as our liquid cultures and petri dish cultures. And until next time, much love.